So this is all the ingredients how to make pancakes, and I can assure you that you would like the taste because I add citron here. So this is also makes the taste really tasty. Then what we need is basically 300 ml milk, and then 1 spoon oil, and then 10 spoonful flour, and then a little bit of salt, and then half or 1 spoon but not full sugar, and then also 2 eggs, of course, and then a little bit of the citron lime juice, something like that. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. So the milk, I already put it here, and then I will put eggs. Little by little this white flour, first 5, do it extra. You have to stir it, or you have to mix it really well. So it's another 2 that I'm gonna put in here. So it means that is 10 spoon. You can also put the sugar inside. I will show you how much is that, the sugar. So it's like this, guys, more or less. It's like half spoon or 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then you can also add a little bit salt to make the taste, just a pinch of salt, not too much. And then you can add this one, the lemon juice or citron juice. I like to have a little bit more. If it's too thick, and then you can also add a little bit more milk, you know. And then I'm gonna put also a little bit oil here. guys, from this basically you can make like a crepes or like a normal pancakes, so that's a good thing. And then now I'm gonna put choco here because at the moment I don't have anything else, but you can also use confiture or chocolate, of course, Nutella, whatever. But at the moment I only have this one, but basically this one is not available in Germany, so I get it from Belgium. This one is really tasty, guys, by the way. And yeah, I'm just gonna spread it on top of my pancakes, and then I will fold it into two, and the other one I'm gonna do it here also, of course. Basically that was it to make pancake with my recipe. I hope you can try it, and let me know in the comments down below, how do you like the taste? Is it the same or is different from the ones that you guys already have? So I guess that's it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also click the bell button so you will not miss when I have a new video uploaded. So I guess until my next video, guys, and bon appetit!